In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete profiles in Cursor AI quickly and easily. If you have old profiles you no longer use, or you simply want to clean up your workspace, this guide will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once the app is launched, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This is where you'll find several important options for managing the app's settings and preferences. After you click File, look for Preferences and select it. This will open the settings area where you can manage different parts of Cursor AI. Inside Preferences, find and click on Profile. This section is where Cursor keeps profile-related settings and options. Next, click on Profiles. Now you should see a list of the profiles that are available in Cursor AI. Take a moment to find the profile you want to remove. If you have multiple profiles set up, make sure you choose the correct one before deleting anything. Once you've found the profile you want to delete, click the three dots next to that profile. This opens the menu with additional options for that specific profile. From the menu, click Delete. Cursor AI will usually ask you to confirm your choice, so make sure you're deleting the right profile. Then click Delete again to confirm. This final confirmation makes sure the profile is removed permanently from your Cursor AI setup. After that, the profile will be deleted and cleaned out of your list. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete profiles in Cursor AI. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go, and it's a great way to keep your workspace organized. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Cursor AI feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.